Today, as we gather here, our purpose is to learn, to share, and to raise awareness about the wonders and challenges of marine life. What makes this workshop truly meaningful is that it's not just about listening. It is about giving voice to young perspectives and fresh ideas.
It absorbs quarter to a third of the carbon dioxide that humans release into the atmosphere every year. Without this service, the global warming would be happening so much faster.
The algae are the microscopic beings that live inside the water and live photosynthesis. They are the indispensable part of the sea ecosystem since they produce oxygen.
How does research find marine life? When it covers the surface or the seabed, it flows oxygen from reachable water. Without oxygen, fish, shellfish, and even corals cannot survive. It also harms planktons and seagrass, which are the foundation of the food chain. This means the entire ecosystem is at risk.
This mainly ties into what I would like to talk about today, which is chemical pollution. These fertilizers do what they're supposed to do and cause a growth spurt in the local environment. Now, at first, this looks like a good thing. It looks like the local environment is thriving. However, this is not the case.
According to a research, a person takes a plastic piece as big as a credit card on average every week. They threaten our health by weakening our immunity system. They disrupt the balance of our hormones and they affect our circulatory and digestive systems negatively.
Hello and welcome everyone. I'm Lavinia from Science 12B and today I will be talking about noise pollution and its effects on whales. So when we think about pollution, we usually picture something physical, right? Like microplastics, mucilage, oil spills, chemical waste, like my friends mentioned. But there is another, which is invisible, noise. And today I will be giving you some information about that. This noise pollution comes from many human activities. The constant hum of commercial ships is the biggest source. Navies use loud sonar, oil and gas companies use air guns that make strong blasts, and building pipelines and wind farms underwater add construction noise. All these sounds travel far, stay in the water, filling the ocean with constant roar.
Most people call it the more specific garbage patch. I would like to call it and welcome you to Trash Island! Oh wow, there's an island like this, can't we go on there? Could we not live on top of this trash island? Well, no we can't. It's really thin. So thin in fact that satellites can't even find it. If you try to look at it from space, the trash is not dense enough to bounce back the satellite's beams and it just goes right through to the ocean floor.
Vatandaş olarak yapacağımız en önemli şey balıkların boyutu, alırken, yerken yasaklı balığı yememek.
Biz 2 yıl boyunca bu batıkları izledik. Her ay gittik, dağıldık. Toplamda ne kadar 48 dalış, kişi başı 720 dakika 40 metre derinlikte yaşadık. 17 familyaya 52 balık türü tespit ettik. Sadece 2 tane batıklar 52 balık türü. Yani bu Akdeniz'in, işte Ege'yi de kapsayan Akdeniz'in ne kadar zengin bir biyoçeşitliliğe sahip olduğunun bir göstergesi bize. Ne kadar kıymetli olduğunu.